Here we are once again at the Eastbourne Funfair in 2025. It's the John Searle Funfair, I believe, and we're here on a Thursday, which is half price day. I mean, not everything is open. Chrissy and Lila going straight on the Sizzler as their first ride. Hi, babe. The booster is closed today because of high wind, so they've taken it down. But most of it's open. The inflatables are also down. I will say they are loading the ride slowly because they are roughly £2 a ride here today, which means that they are waiting for them to fill up before they go, and that's not a problem. Obviously they cost money to run. It's just something I'm noticing, and there's barely anybody here. We are at like nearly 4 o'clock in the evening and there's barely anybody here. Was that fun?
That was a bit twistery, that was.
Lila, did you enjoy that?
Beautiful sky.
Beautiful sky? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you had fun?
Spinny.
Next up, the kids are going in the fun house. And there they go. Oh. The lady turned it off for them. The waltzer. Oh wow. Whee! Whoa! 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 Here we go the other way. Whoa! We're going the other. You okay?
Oh my God!
Oh. Oh, this is great. Good cycle as well.
Hook a duck.
I'm just imagining how high I could go.
Well, we're going to find out in a minute.
Go on. Lila, are you crazy? We'll rock you. There, go on, Dexter. Whee!
I'm flying.
I mean, sure. Hiya! Hiya! There you go. Look at that.
Oh, she's going for it. Whee! Hey, buddy. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is fast. Whoa. Oh my. There we go again. Oh my. Well, we just went on the octopus bouncer. So we just been on this. It was very painful. But it's time for me to go on something that nobody else will go on.
I had great fun doing that.
Which is just over here. And it looks like nobody's actually going on it at all. It's called Air Raid. Not Air Race, Air Raid. The original, apparently.
I see Daddy.
He's there somewhere. There he is. Yeah, he's on the blue one.
Here we go. Okay. Okay. This is different. really good, but it kind of hurt. My leg was being driven into the side, but the ride cycle is really fun. It really is. It's £2 per ride, which is really, really worth it. I mean, the bungee trampolines were £3 a go per child, but otherwise, really good value. Like, we're enjoying ourselves, we're having fun, and it's not costing the earth.
Yeah, Dada.
You want to go, Daddy?
What does she want to go on?
Dodgems.
Okay.
Yes, folks, point the next right. Look out. Here we go. The arrows, follow the arrows, one way round only. Follow the arrows, one way round only.
Go, Dexter! Woo! None of that. None of that.
One way round the track only. No head-on bumping.
Turn around. You've got to go that way. Go on, Dexter.
Please wait for cars to stop completely. Wait for the cars to...
Dexter, how was Dodgem?
Yes, it's crazy fun.
And you thought it was scary, didn't
We'll
you?
do it again later.
The smile on your face every time you crashed into someone and you were like, sorry.
I will go again later.
Oh, do you?
£4 a car though.
£4 a
That's
car.
on half price day.
That's because though 2 people can fit in a car. So that makes sense.
It was very good.
Lila, what did you think of it?
It was very good.
I mean, it is worth it for the smile on his face. Where are you?
Press double click.
Oh, there you are. Oh, there you are. Hello. The smile on his face, he had all the power in his hand.
And actually, you can tell because I made a laugh.
He went from being scared to I wield the power.
Yeah, I did.
Dodgems are just such a classic. They're just such a classic attraction. They're always great fun, and a £4 a car, you know, it seems a little expensive, but it is half price day, and
I think as well.
I'll take it.
Can I just say the guy that was working on it was really nice because he actually told everyone at the beginning that Dexter was nervous
Okay.
and so to not bump him.
And
And then when it started, I started bumping.
Which I thought was really cute. And then Dexter all of a sudden was just like, yeah, I'm going to bump everyone.
yep.
I allowed them to bump me. After I tried to do that myself.
So that was our afternoon at the Searle Funfair here in Eastbourne. Did you all have fun?
Yeah.
Lila's talking about Peppa Pig. What I will say is this, okay, it was half price day and we probably spent about £40 maybe, which is far cheaper than last year. I might add, it's far cheaper than last year. I think last year we spent over 100, didn't we? But it wasn't on half price day. I mean, all the rides were £2 a pop, and that's apparently 2 days in the week they're doing that.
Look at my lollipop.
Yeah, except the Dodgems, which were £4 a car, but still pretty good because, you know, 2 people can go on that. That's the way they're looking at it, I guess. But it's only here till Sunday, but it'll move on to another location. So if the Searle Funfair is in a place near you, I'd suggest going and checking it out, at least on a half price day, would you?
Oh yeah.
It's a nice family afternoon out. Well, yeah, exactly. The price we paid on Brighton Pier was just a tiny amount of rides in comparison. So, if you have joined us through this little vlog at the Searle Funfair here in Eastbourne, thank you for watching this one. We will speak to you in the next one, and remember, bye for now.